12th standard computer application chapter 1 multimedia and desktop publishing. In this chapter we are going to discuss about multimedia components, steps in multimedia production team, role of internet with multimedia applications and libraries. What is multimedia? The multimedia consists of two words, multi and media, which means multiple form of media are combined together and provide service like storage, communications, presentations and input, output interactions of text, video, image, graphics and audio. The fast growing of multimedia technology over the last decade has brought a lot of changes to computing, entertainment and education. This is the example picture source for multimedia related to other forms, audio, video, image. The next topic will be components of multimedia. Multimedia has 5 major components like text, image, sound, video and animations. Here these 5 major components divided into 2 categories. One is dynamic elements, another one is static elements. The video, animation, audio, these 3 comes under categories of dynamic elements. Then text, graphic comes under categories of static elements. Next one is text. Text is the basic components of multimedia and the most common ways of communicating information to other person. Even though multimedia including image, video, audio and graphics, text is the basic components used in multimedia. Next, static text. Static text, the text or the words will remain static as a heading or in a line or in a paragraph. This is the image shows how the static text are visible. The word are given along with image to explain about the images. The static text, the word will either give informations or support an image and video. Next, hypertext. Hypertext is nothing but it is used to create a web page, and hypertext is a system which consists of nodes, the text and the link between the nodes, which define the paths the user need to follow for the text access in non-sectional ways. In a multimedia product, text is used to convey the information and must be placed at appropriate position in order to obtain the well-formatted sentence and paragraphs. This is the hyperlink, underline a blue color. The next one is image. The image comes under 2 categories. One is a raster image, raster or bitmap image or vector image. First one is raster or bitmap image. Bitmap is a simple matrix of tiny dots called pixels that forms a raster or bitmap image. Each pixels carry of 2 or more colors based on how much data in bits is used to determine the number of colors. The color's depth is determined. For example, 1 bit is 2 colors, 4 bit means 16 colors, 8 bit means 256 colors. Then next one is vector image. Nothing but you can represent the image. Drawing elements or objects such as lines, rectangle, circle and so on. Create an image or based on vector image. The image compressed technique are used to reduce the file size of images. That is useful for storing large number of images and speed in transmission for network applications. Various compression format for use in this purpose. For example, GIF, TIF, JPEG. The next one is animation. Still image, if you move forward so quickly, this animate right. Animation is the process displaying still image so quickly so that they give the impressions of continuous movement. Using numerical transformation, the movement of the image along the path is calculated for the defining coordinates. The least frame rate, at least 16 frames per second, give the impressions of the smoothness, and for natural looking should be at least 25 frames per second. The next one is frame animation. In frame animations, multiple objects are allowed to travel simultaneously and the background or object also changes. For example, movies. Then path animation. Path animations involve the moving an object on a screen that has a constant background. Most easy understandable example, cartoon character. Next one is sound. Sound is a meaningful speech in any language and is the most serious elements in multimedia. Multimedia providing the pleasure of the music, special effect and so on. Decibel is measurement of volume, pressure and sound level. Next one is a MIDI, Musical Instrument Digital Identifier. Musical Instrument Digital Identifier is a standard communication tool developed for computers and electronic instruments. This tool is very flexible and easy for composing the project in multimedia. The next one is a digital audio. Sampled sound is a digitized sound. A sample of sound is taken and stored every length fraction of second as digital information in bits and bytes. The quality of this recording depends on the sampling rate. The sampling rate is defined as how often the sample are taken and how many numbers are used to represent the value for each sample, bit depth, resolution, sample size. The next one is video. Video is defined as the display of recorded event, scenes, etc. The powerful way to convey information in multimedia applications or embedding of video. The video can be categorized in two types, analog video, another one digital video. Next, analog video. Analog video, the video data are stored in any non-computer media like videotape, laserdisc, film, etc. It is divided further two types as composite and component analog video. Composite analog video has all the video components like brightness, color and combined to one signal. Due to the combining of the video components, the quality of composite video resulted in color blending, low clarity and high generational loss. This recording format was used for customer analog video recording tape format such as Betamax and VHS. Next we are going to see a topic, text format. Text format RTF, rich text format, is the primary file format introduced in 1987 by Microsoft Limited with the specification of their published products and for the class platform document interchange. The next one is the plain text. Plain text files can be opened, read and edited with most text editors. Commonly used are Windows Notepad, Unix, Linux, etc. The plain text is the original and popular way of conveying an email. Then next is a image format. TIFF, T-I-F-F. The name is Tagged Image File Format. This format is common in desktop publishing world. High quality output and it is supported by almost all software packages. Recent version of TIFF allows the image compression and the format is comfortable for moving large files between computers. The next one is BMP bitmap. Initially this format is used the Windows 3.1. It is quite large and uncompressed and hence BMP is used for the high resolution or large images. The next one is a DIB, device independent bitmap. This format, which is similar to BMP, allows the files to be displayed on a variety of devices. Next one is a GIF, graphics interchange format. The GIF is a compressed image format. Most of the computer color images and background are GIF files. GIF format to identify its colors. This format is supported widely. Next one is JPEG, Joint Photographic Expert Group. JPEG was designed to attain maximum image compression most of the web browser. It is used lossy compression technique where a compression method is referred that losses some of the data required for the image reconstruction. It works good with photographics artwork than similar material but functions less on lettering, light drawing and sample cartoons. Next one is a TAGRA, TGA. It is a first popular format for high resolution image. TGA is supported by most of the video capture boards. The next one is a PNG, Portable Network Graphics, an extensible file format for the less loss, portable and well compressed storage of the raster image. PNG acts replacement for GIF and also replaces multiple common uses TIFF. PNG works good with online viewing applications like a World Wide Web. Then next one is a digital audio file format. Waveform audio file format. It is the most popular audio file format in a Windows for storing uncompressed sound files. In order to attain reduced file size can also be converted to the other files format like MP3. Next one is a MP3. MPEG layer 3 format. MPEG layer 3 format is the most popular format for storing and downloading music. MP3 files roughly compressed to 1/10 size of an equivalent WAV file. Then next one is a OGG, a free open source container format that designed for obtaining better streaming and evolving at high and end quality digital multimedia. It can be compared MP3 files terms of quality. The next one is a AIFF, audio interchange file format, a standard audio file format used by Apple, which like a WAV file for the Mac. Then next one is a Windows Media File, WMA. It is a popular Windows media audio format owned by Microsoft and designed with digital right measurement ability for copyright protections. Then next one, audio RA, real audio format. Real audio format is designed for the streaming audio over the internet. The digital audio resource usually store the computer file, computer hard drive or DVD. It is format wave files like a dot wave, MPEG, then MP3, WMA, RA. Then next, digital video file format. AVI, audio video interleave. AVI is the video file format for Windows. Here sound pictures elements are stored alternative interleaved chunks in the files. Then next, MPEG, moving pictures export group. MPEG is a standard for generating digital video and audio compression under the International Standard Organization ISO by the group of people. Simply, MPEG is a standard for digital video audio compression. Okay children, I hope enjoy.